Hello, 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 everybody. Welcome back from the weekend. Today is Mortgage Monday. I am Kim Antonucci with Movement Mortgage, and you are listening and watching Kimmy Talks. So today, since it's Monday, we're going to be talking about mortgages for the most part. If you have any questions about financing your home, comment below. I'd be happy to answer any questions during the podcast. So, how was everybody's weekend? Let me know how it was. Don't ask me how mine was. It was not fantastic. Brandy was out there hustling for me, though. She did some open houses on Sunday for me. I spent the day in urgent care with my little 2-year-old, Gabriel. He had an allergic reaction to penicillin. Well, yeah, it was ceftonir or something. I don't know. It's a form of penicillin. So, yeah, that was scary. But he's all good now. They gave him some stuff to make the hives go away, and he's on a different antibiotic. But wowza, I got scared. I was a scared mama. So Brandy had to go do open houses without me. I was so jealous. I was watching her live and she did a fantastic job. I feel like there were more views than usual, so I don't know about that. I'm not offended. Oh. So, go back and watch those open house videos. They were pretty cool. Also, check out the video with Jim White from Friday, Empire Realty Group, Syracuse. Woo, woo. So let's get to some mortgage talk. One question we get all the time is, can I qualify for a mortgage with student loans? And we got a little quote here for you. Nearly 1/4 of all home buyers and 37% of first-time buyers had student debt with a typical amount of $30,000. It is very possible to buy a home with student loan debt. Talk to your loan officer, because depending on the program, that's going to depend on what we calculate our monthly payment. For example, if we are using Freddie Mac, then we can use 0.5% of the student loan balance. Cool stuff. Freddie Mac or FHA. What? Fannie Mae wants 1%. Those Fannie Mayers. And then, our VA has a different calculation. So talk to your loan officer. It's very possible we can make it happen. If you're already in repayment, which is doubtful because we still got this COVID emergency deferment thing. But if you are in repayment, we can also use that payment, which is pretty cool. So does renting make more financial sense? If y'all said yes, you're crazy. You are so wrong about that. Renting is not the way to go. In fact, I just got a text message from a client of mine that said, OMG, paying $1,800 a month in rent is crazy when I can own my own home for much, much less. And to that point, rent prices are going up. They keep increasing and increasing. I don't know anybody on the planet Earth who is renting who said to me, oh, my rent went down this year. It doesn't happen. It just keeps going up. So run some scenarios with a loan officer and you will see When you're paying your monthly mortgage, you're paying your monthly mortgage for a home that you own that is gaining equity. So you are gaining worth. When you rent, you are paying a monthly installment to your landlord so he can go pay his mortgage or make some money. You are helping your landlord's equity, not your own. So, home ownership is always wiser than renting. Down payments. We're going to talk about this all the time. You do not need to have 20% for your down payment. There are programs out there with 0 down or 3.5% down or 3% down or 5% down. There's so many different programs out there. Talk to me, talk to a loan officer, figure out what works for you. I've been also getting from a lot of my clients who kind of held off a little bit when the pandemic was crazy. And they said, do you think the housing market is slowing down? Here's what I say to that. Kind of. Like, for example, today was the first time in a very, very, very long time. I actually called my assistant to share the news with her that I got an appraisal that came in well over the purchase price. What? I've not seen that in a long time. Also, my percentage of government offers getting accepted is now increasing. So, yes, I think it's getting easier to buy than it was even a month ago or 2 months ago or 3 months ago. Hopefully it continues to get better. We'll just have to sit back and wait and see what happens. How can you find a professional that supports your home ownership goals? Well, number one, you got to research. Look at people's pages. Look at their company pages. Obviously, please God, tell me you check reviews. And if those people don't have any reviews, think about that. And then, you can interview us. I'd be happy to talk about myself. So, ask me about my business. Ask me about why I'm in this business. And that's the only way you're going to build a good relationship anyway. So, make sure it works for you. Okay. We're going to end on another quote from Mark Fleming. Buying a home is not just a financial decision, it's also a lifestyle decision. And that is so true. So think about it. Make a good lifestyle decision. Okay, tune in Wednesday. Not sure what we're going to do for Real Estate Wednesday yet. Maybe we will have a guest, maybe not. I don't know, but it's going to be great. So tune in. AMA this month, AMA Agent Marketing Academy is podcasting for real estate. Woo, woo. Going to be awesome. So keep an eye out for those invites if you're a real estate agent. And then, of course, anyone out there who needs a pre-approval, I'm your girl. So fill out my application. Now you can find just the audio on Spotify, Spreaker, and Apple Podcast. Of course, I'm always broadcasting live on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Well, that's all I have for today. I hope everybody has a fantastic week, and I cannot wait to see you on Wednesday. I am your girl for all things mortgages, of course. So call, text, email, message, whatever. I'm here for you. I love you, and I hope you have a great week. Bye-bye.